Hey guys, welcome to our part 2 of JavaScript. Remember we ended up here, so we're gonna delete that and we're gonna deal with variables. Variables are like I would say space holder for where you store some data. You can say name here, you can name it anything, equals to maybe we say your name here. As we said in last, maybe you can say maybe you can say meme. So this simply means we've stored this into this. So whenever we want to output, we're gonna call this. So let's do this and say alert copy that, put it there, and we save. Then we go here, refresh. You can see it tells us meme, so it does the same name, same thing. So now what we're gonna do, we can use this for maybe we put numbers. We can say like this would be 1 2 maybe times 7, and we save. Let's try to see if it's gonna give us, yes, give us 84. So this really can help you if you want to do some calculations here. So you can change this to anything you want. Maybe you can name it numbers, then you save. So you go here, you can change even this. Let's make it easier. 10 times 7, we should see 7. So come here, refresh, come and refresh. We didn't save this, that's why we see wrong thing. That's why we see wrong results. I wonder why it displays wrong results. Let me try to come here, because 10 times 7 can be 84. So we're gonna say yeah, the thing is this. So I forgot to change here. I got to change this into this. So remember, this you can name it anything you want to. So but don't forget the keyword var. Then you put this and equals to whatever you want to do. So you come here, you refresh. Yes, we get the right thing. So you can also do what you can do: multiplication, you can do division, you can do addition. We can say maybe plus 7, and whatever number I want to put, it will work. Save, and I want to see 17 here. Yes, this is what I see. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. So we've seen variables in JavaScript in our second tutorial. We're gonna come back in the third tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can comment and request for any tutorial or something you want to learn JavaScript. So this tutorial expect you to know nothing. So this is a beginner's tutorial, it's not intermediate, but when time goes on, we're gonna go and see some couple of higher grade stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.